Getting a good grip on controlling your spend for services is very hard. While with 3 clicks, you can check the price of flight tickets or the latest iPad, having a card repaired or calling the plumber is a whole different story. Imagine how difficult that is when you're a business. Why? Because in traditional businesses, you only get the price after the service is delivered. You have to wait passively and hope that the cost will be reasonable. You might ask for a quote or put down some limits in the form of a blanket order, but what gets written on the invoice is entirely to the liberty of your supplier. And if he overcharges, or if the rates are wrong, it requires so much processing work to find out in the contract what should have been the rate, that at the end of the day, it gets paid anyways. There's a way out. It's called contract invoicing. Actually, it's a clever way to force the supplier into his promises. On top of it, it can be paperless. Computers like to talk to computers. So let's see how this works. First, Richard, our buyer, imports and creates the rate and terms agreed on the contract. This means that in his procurement system, there will be a reference. There will be a document where all the price and conditions are kept. Think of rate per hours for work or project delivery milestones such as design, mock-up, final delivery, or maintenance for site A and maintenance for site B. You're not ordering, you're just setting up the stage. Now, when Bob the serviceman comes in to do his maintenance, or to do his cleaning, or to deliver his website, to repair the machinery, or to counsel you on some legal matters, he knows that if he wants to be paid in time, he needs to use the contract that Richard made. And this is where technology comes in. Bob the serviceman logs in online and selects the relevant contract. It's Richard's contract that he's selecting. It's like if Richard's hand is stretching all the way across the internet to present him the contract term. And Bob selects what he wants to invoice from that contract at the rate that is written on there. Once done, tax and other information gets added to the invoice, and zoom, it goes back to Richard through the internet. On his side, Richard can see the contract being consumed. He sees the invoices of Bob. He's got visibility and he can take action. And if the limits are over, Bob the serviceman simply cannot invoice anymore. And that's how procurement and finance are in full control of paying for services. It's called contract invoicing.